So I thought I'd make a video here on dyeing some Skyway Mags. These are tough 2s. I believe these are generation 2s. And so this is a Mardi Gras color, which I hear is fairly rare. So what we're going to use is some RIT dye, some purple, and some platinum dish soap. So I hear this dish soap is supposed to help distribute the color evenly, and then as well as help the color stick well, absorb it into the plastic. So this particular RIT dye you have here, it's actually not the right one. I found out it was a different one you need, and this is the one right here. It's called Dye More. This is the one for synthetics and like plastics, like these Skyways. So as you're removing things here, like the bearings, I'm using this magnet from Harbor Freight. It makes it pretty easy to remove the bearings from the hub. So I thought maybe a little tip. Okay, so it's time to wash up the mags. You see they're pretty distressed and faded. They definitely need some dyeing and some new fresh color on it. So see you here in a minute. So take a trip to your local Dollar Tree. You get one of these awesome degreaser, cleaner. Get you a magic eraser and a scrub, and we're off to go cleaning. So we're just trying to get all the debris and grime and oil and whatever else is on there, just to make sure there's nothing on the surface that's stopping the dye from getting into the pores of this plastic. So, all right, once it's dry, I did another look at the mags. You know, overall still faded, but you know, minus any dirt. So there you go. That's a Dye More RIT at your local Hobby Lobby. All right, so I had to go heat up some water. The instructions on the dye on the RIT bottle says 200 degrees is what you need to keep. That's the temperature that it should be for it to dye properly. So I'm just checking the water level there. I had to do 2 batches of hot water in this tub here. So let's see how it goes. So after you put the dye, just place it inside, and you're supposed to put about a teaspoon of dishwash soap in here. So of course, this is how I measure my dish soap. See there? There you go. Just eyeball it, and get my little stick here and just mix it up. I was only able to do one at a time on this one. So if I had one of those propane tanks with a stand, then you can put probably more water in here. So after 30 minutes is the directions, 30 minutes, but I want to see what it looked like. I turned it over. It looks pretty good. What do you think? Yeah, looks pretty good. So flip it over here, and here's the first wheel after 30 minutes. All right, so here's a quick before after of the wheel after wheel 1, and then wheel 2 coming up next. So I went ahead and boiled another batch of hot water. Went ahead and added to what I had already. So went ahead and just go ahead and finish this other bottle, give it a quick mix. And second wheel going in. Here we go. That wheel's in there for about 30 minutes. I went ahead and added the second wheel for another 30 minutes. Why not? All right, so here it is, coming out the dye bath. The color is pretty rich. You know, of course it's still wet, but I'm sure it'll likely get a little lighter as it dries. So I'm just gonna set them here for a little bit. Let them dry, but overall it looks okay. It looks pretty good. My first time doing it, so hopefully, you know, adjust my low expectations. So it is, here's the mags as they're drying. You know, there's a little haze there, but I'm reading on like BMX Museum, you can wipe some WD-40 on there. Kind of helps with the shine. So here's the finished product here. There's a lot of light on my workbench, but you know, like I said, you can wipe some WD-40 on here and it should get darker, give it a nice rich vibrant color. Okay, here's a before after. Pretty happy. Give it a try. You can do it too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you guys out there who wants to dye your Skyway mags. Later.